Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Angry Birds so app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Angry Birds so app, or just click on search, then here add Angry Birds so app, just click on it here. Come to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for Angry Birds so app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here a place, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.